Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I have a special guest. You've actually been in like a ton of my videos, but not like a sitting video.
I guess not.
Only like vlogs.
Yeah.
But I have John here. John is my boyfriend. John's gonna be doing my makeup today. How do you feel about that?
I don't know.
This used to be like a big video like back in the day.
But I think I'm probably gonna do it better than you usually do it.
I guess we'll see.
I'm confident.
I'm trying to figure out if I want to incorporate like a tag video, like the questions boyfriend girlfriend tag thing. Like if it gets too like we don't have anything to talk about, but I figured like we'd be talking about the makeup. So maybe like halfway through I'll start asking questions, but for now we're just gonna get started and he's just gonna do my makeup and see how it is. You excited?
Sure.
Okay.
Can I start with this thing?
What is that? Yeah, that's right. What is it?
Is it foundation?
Yeah!
It is? Cool.
So you know to start with that.
Yep.
What are you gonna, hold on, you need to figure out what you're gonna put it on with first. What do I put my foundation on with?
You use this beauty blender ball thing.
Okay, so what do you have to do to that first?
Get it wet?
Yeah! Okay, so go do that.
Okay.
Okay, so what are you gonna do? I should put a towel down or something. You gotta explain to me like what you're doing while you're doing it too. Like a tutorial.
Just gonna rub this foundation on certain areas on your skin. I think that was in your eyebrow.
Great.
But it almost dripped.
You're being so light. Oh, this feels good. I love getting my makeup done. Don't forget my nose. Thanks.
How much do I do?
That's up to you. This is a you thing.
Okay.
You show me how to do my makeup.
I think that's good.
Okay. You actually got the name right for this.
This?
What did you used to call it?
The pat sponge?
Don't wipe. Oh, I shouldn't tell you.
What?
It's more pat. You're not. There you go.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's kind of dumb.
You call it the pat.
Well, let me do what I want, right?
Oh my god, you're
Feels like
beating
I'm
me up.
pushing. Yeah.
Are you the next makeup artist?
I'm the next Jeffree Star. How do I get it in your nose?
In my nose?
Yeah, like right here. You get your eye?
Yeah.
Like your eyeball, like right by your eye?
Kinda. See right here, this is when I should be like asking a question. I think it's time.
Okay.
I'm just gonna Google like boyfriend tag.
Looks pretty good.
This is 2019 boyfriend tag. I think they're like updated. Does it? I know I shouldn't like look. I can't really see in the viewfinder anyway, so.
Supposed to get like your chin line, right? Make it like defined. It looks a lot darker than your neck though.
Great. Well, you're supposed to. No, I can't tell you. There you go. That's what I was gonna tell you. Okay. Number one. How did we meet?
How did we meet?
Are you gonna tell the real story or the fake story?
I think this deserves the fake story. What do I do next?
I can't tell you. You're probably not gonna go in the right order, but it's fine. You just gotta think of all the things that I usually put on.
I don't know. Eyeshadow?
Go ahead. That's fine.
Which one is that?
You know what I use for eyeshadow.
Not that one? No.
Not particularly. I mean, you can use whatever you want. I have a bunch of eyeshadow. Oh, I didn't even show them like the setup. I have all my makeup down here, and that's what he's choosing from.
Is this eyeshadow?
You know what that is.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. Read the name.
It's a palette. I don't know what that means. How do you even open this thing?
Ooh, you were right. Jaclyn Hill palette. I use this every day. Okay, so what are you gonna put on the eyeshadow with? You got a whole selection. I feel like I dreamed this. I feel like I literally dreamed that you picked up this brush. Like, I dreamed last night that we were filming this video, and you picked up this one.
What's this one?
I can't tell you, just do whatever
Yeah, you can. Tell me.
Do
Give me
whatever you want.
hints.
No, I don't use that one, but you can if you want. Sure. What's your first color you're gonna
Do you want to go exotic, or do you want to go like casual?
You mean like natural?
Natural.
That's up to you. You do whatever you want.
No, I'm not going to do exotic.
Okay. Just play safe.
I'm going to give you like an everyday look.
So what's first?
I don't know. This one?
Okay, do it.
No, tell me.
I'm not telling you, just go. Okay, you don't need that much. God.
I don't know how much you need.
Okay.
Like, where do I do this?
Are you putting that in my crease?
I guess.
Like a bright, white, shimmery color in my crease.
Yeah.
Where did we meet?
Well, I met her on Instagram.
Oh, you're going the real story.
Yeah, might as well. So kind of mix.
Sure. I have a million brushes there, though, if you want to use other ones. But yeah, you can mix. Are you evaluating your work?
Mm-hmm.
We technically met at school. But you what? What did you do? How did we meet at school? Because I had no idea who you were.
Yeah.
You shot your shot?
Yeah. A friend posted a picture of you, and I saw you. I was like, dang, she's hot. So I crept.
Crept?
Crept.
Were you going on to a different color?
Mm-hmm. I was like pink, so you must use that one.
Okay, sure.
Oh, this should go like higher or lower on your eyelid?
That's your decision.
I think higher.
This feels so wrong. So what is this pink shimmer in my crease too? Like over the white?
I guess.
Sounds like a look.
Yeah, that's all I'm doing for that.
For my whole eyeshadow.
Yeah. I don't know what else you're supposed to do.
You need something darker in the corners to like give it
What
definition.
corners?
Like the outside. You need to deepen it up and put something dark like right on that. Not really dark, but something on the corners. I'll finish the story, I guess. So I get a comment on my Instagram picture. It was just like a selfie of this random person, aka John, and he goes, okay, so our school has like 2 different like tracks. Like you either be like a regular student or like in the IB program. It was just like set up different, like the periods and stuff, and they have like different kind of classes. So he goes, hey pretty girl, are you an IB? Because I guess his thing was like he had never seen me before, so he was like trying to figure out if that's why, like if I was an IB. So that's it for eyeshadow?
I guess.
Everyone take a look. Okay, what's next?
Eyeliner?
Sure.
What bottle's that?
You're doing liquid eyeliner?
Yeah. I'm about to give you some wings.
You're gonna give me a wing?
You're about to fly.
Okay. So he comments and he goes, are you an IB? And I was like, no, traditional. And he goes, okay, I'll start talking.
Oh, I think it was in your eyeball.
Yeah, don't do that, please. Is that it?
It's so dark over here.
So I go, no, I'm not an IB.
There's your bottom?
That's up to you.
No, I totally messed this up.
Oh god,
It
what are
does
you
not look
doing?
like a wing.
I can't see from here. Do I just get one?
I don't know how I'm supposed to do this side.
So I said, no, I'm not an IB, I'm in traditional. And he goes, oh, well, do you have a kick? He literally hit me with, you got kick. And this is like 2014, mind you, so. And I said, no. Because I literally didn't have a kick. I thought kick was stupid. It's like, why don't you just text someone?
I don't like doing this at all.
Is it done?
Whatever, I really don't care anymore. Eyelashes?
What is that called? That's called eyelashes?
Eyeliner? No. I don't know.
I don't get them curled.
Huh? You do that first?
Oh my god, I'm kind of scared. Maybe you shouldn't curl my eyelashes. You're supposed to do it before the eyeliner, or else you're gonna like, oh my god. No, I'm scared.
What do you mean?
I need to stick my face up far. Don't pinch me.
Which way does it go? It's not even in your eyeball.
You gotta put my eyelashes.
Is it this way?
No.
Is it backwards?
No, never mind.
I'm not doing it.
You're not doing it, no.
Just go like that.
Okay, not that much, you're gonna dry it out!
I like that sound.
This is ASMR.
You it up or down?
John, do whatever you want. This is taking forever to answer this one question. After I said I don't have a kick, he said, well, can I have your number? And he said, can I have your number? And I said, no, I don't give my number out, sorry. Totally got rejected at first.
Yeah.
And then he was like, oh, well, here's my number in case you want it. And I was like, sure, okay, I don't care. And then like, so I ignored him, and then like later I like went and looked at his profile, and I was like, wait, he's kind of cute. And he played football, and we had like mutual friends, so I was like, okay, maybe I'll give him a chance. So then I started texting him. So we ended up meeting at school one day. It actually like wasn't even planned. Like we had been texting for like a couple days or so, and then like one day he just like saw me at school, I guess. Like I was about to go to first period, and like we hadn't even like set it up. And I remember I looked so bad that day. I thought I looked bad. Like I didn't do my makeup or anything that day, because I didn't have you to do it for me.
Yeah.
I was shook because I didn't expect to meet him, and like I hadn't seen him all through school, like ever. And then like that one day he randomly sees me and comes up to me and he's like, hey, and then we like hugged and stuff, and then the rest is history.
Do I do your contour with this?
Do you do my contour with this? I guess if you want. There's colors that will work. Maybe if you open things up you'll figure it out.
That one?
This seems more like a blush application. Oh my god, you missed something, but whatever. It's up to you.
What?
Usually you put something down before this.
I don't know what that is.
Just regular powder. Like face color powder. It's too late now. You can't do it now. Getting bronzed. The next question is, if we're going out to eat, where are we going?
Usually like Hibachi Express.
Yeah, we like hibachi food.
Or Koizi.
More Asian food. Usually something Asian. If it wasn't Asian, what would it be?
Miller's Ale House.
Yeah, I was just saying like Ale House.
Or Buffalo Wild Wings.
Okay, that's if you're deciding. So
Yeah.
I only get contour on my cheeks?
I think so.
Okay.
Can I do more?
More what? That's not contour, what is that?
I don't know.
You know what that is.
No, I don't.
I don't need anything else on my face. What else do I usually put on my face? The one I just told you that it seemed like you were putting on.
Blush?
Yeah.
What is that?
All my face stuff is right here, I'll tell you that.
That?
Yes. What does it say? The bottom part.
Baked blush.
There you go. What's one food I don't like? Okay, that's enough! So where are you gonna put this?
Like high?
Sure. What's one food I don't like?
One food you don't like? Like a meal or like
Anything.
the type of food? Doesn't look like it's doing anything.
You didn't do concealer either, but whatever.
Can I do that?
No, it's too late.
I don't think I put anything foundation there.
No, you didn't, I don't think. You didn't do my bottom eyelashes either. But it's fine. This is what you chose.
And I'll do your bottom eye.
Oh, what's one food I don't like? You know so many.
I can't think right now.
What's like the one thing that I literally won't eat it if it's on there?
Red onions?
Yes. I'm doing the mascara. Oh. Okay.
Oh, man.
Get a Q-tip. You gotta press harder than
I don't know
that.
how you get it out. I did nothing.
The Q-tip is how you get it off. Okay. Just use your finger, it's fine. Is there anything else besides red onions? I guess I can say like something you don't like. You don't like mushrooms, and neither do I. How many brothers and sisters do I have?
One sister.
Yes, you have one sister.
A brother-in-law.
Yeah, you have a sister.
Yep.
What's next?
Eyebrows.
Yeah, you're actually going in pretty good order.
The pencil.
Yeah, but that one hasn't opened yet. I usually do something else first, but that's gonna be hard for you to find because I get it like out of something else.
Okay, so tell me.
Like, do you know what I usually do before the pencil? If you get that right, I'll tell you where it is.
No.
Then never mind, you just gotta do the pencil.
See, you like draw them out, don't you?
If I was collecting something, what would it be?
You don't collect anything.
Yeah, I would never collect anything. That's called hoarding. I wouldn't collect anything ever. Do we have a song? What is it?
Not really.
We really don't. We just talked about that. It's kind of sad. Well, we have like a lot of songs that we like together, but we don't like have a song. What's my nickname?
Piggy.
Okay, but what's like my actual nickname? Did you just crush that in your fingers?
Sorry, I'm too strong.
Do I have like another nickname? Probably look like the clown.
This is stupid.
That's fun. I think you're doing pretty good. You're going in a good order. You're missing something from my face. What is the one thing that I do and I'm like, oh yeah. Once you do it, you're like, oh, it looks so much better. Like a necessity. Like. Oh.
Contour.
No! Above the contour. Like on the tips. So you can like shine.
I thought that was contour.
Like glow.
I always pointed it out, but I don't know what it's called.
Yeah, you're always like, you're shiny.
Yeah. Highlighter.
Mmm.
That one?
Yes.
Ofra?
Mm-hmm.
No, it's not.
You really need to put any with the stuff, but it's fine.
Oh, yeah.
Am I shiny now? Next question. Am I a morning person or a night person?
Night person.
Oh yes, you kind of are
Sure.
too. What's my weirdest habit? I'm not weird. I don't have weird habits.
Weirdest habits probably what you're doing right now.
That's not a habit.
Yeah, I don't know.
That's kind of a hard question. It would have to happen in the moment. So you did highlighter, contour, blush, eyeshadow, mascara, eyeliner. What are you missing?
Lipstick.
Yeah. What do you think I'm talented at? Oh, you're going for red.
Bright red.
I thought this was a daytime look.
It is, I'm kidding.
What do you think I'm talented at?
You are talented at playing the piano. You're talented at making videos.
Dang. You can use any of those. That's fine. That works.
What am I talented at?
Like knowing how to do things, like man things.
Man things.
Like fixing things and like figuring things out.
Pucker up.
Oh, that's what you want? Like this or like this?
I don't know. How do you put lipstick on?
I feel like I'm 8 and my mom is doing my dance makeup.
That was supposed to be like smooth.
Yeah, you gotta push harder. Who's my best friend?
Me?
Yeah. Besides you.
The best friends are big and little.
Yes.
Probably your roommates.
Yeah. I have lots of friends.
Oh, like I feel like that did nothing. I should have went to the Dr. Color.
Get a different one.
Too late now.
Use something else.
What do I do with it? Do you
put it on my lips?
Would I like rub it all over? Do you do that? It's like liquidy.
It's a lip gloss.
That's gross. You like eat it?
No.
Nope.
Why?
Nope. Nope.
Is that it? You pretty much got everything. You only forgot to do my concealer and powder. Oh, and I usually put eyeshadow underneath my eyes. Like instead of doing an eyeliner underneath. Wait, no, not anymore. It's fine.
Yeah, I'll do some.
I was just telling you what you missed.
Can you use this one?
Yeah, that's what I use actually. But which side? Which side do you think would be good for putting a little tiny bit underneath?
Matte.
No, which side of the brush?
The smaller one?
Yeah. That's not true. What did you say, matte?
I thought you meant the color. You put it where?
Underneath my eye. Okay.
Okay, this is
not all the way.
Ruined it.
What's my eye color without looking?
Brown.
Yeah. When's the first time you said I love you?
Like 5 years ago.
Yeah, you're right. It was like, we probably been dating for like a month.
No, it was like 2 months.
Yeah, it was like 2 months. It was like July, and we started dating in May. Where was I born?
Here.
Yes.
Florida.
Yeah, never left. You were born in, you don't even know where you were born.
Yes, I do.
He grew up like not being able to tell people where he was born because he didn't know the difference between North and South Carolina. If I was any one animal, what would I be?
A bug.
A bug? I hate bugs. I think you're done.
This looks bad.
Why would I be a bug?
I'm just kidding. You'd be a butterfly because you're so pretty.
So what, now you want to highlight? Okay, where are you going with that?
You gotta hear you said, right?
Yeah, and under my eyebrow. Oh my god, not all the way. You go, whenever I say like under my eyebrow, under my eye, it's like supposed to be on the outside. It's not like all the way here and over.
Are we done?
You tell me. I think you did everything you could do.
Yeah.
Are you happy with the product?
Overall, yeah, but I think it's pretty crap. I don't know how you do this every day. It's kind of ridiculous.
I don't do my.
This is stressful. How do you go through this stress every single day?
Wait, one more question. What is your favorite thing about me?
Your personality.
So you think I'm ugly? That's what that means.
No, you're beautiful. Nope.
Okay. Well, here's my makeup. I'll do a close-up clip in a sec.
Looks like pretty everyday stuff here.
From here, I look like a clown. Oh my god! Underneath my eyes.
Yeah, you look. The under the eye thing ruined it.
You didn't do it right.
God.
You put it like way under here when it was.
Yeah, that's not good. I should have not even done that.
The eyebrows.
That makeup looks bad.
So we have a nice little wing.
Oh, those wings are on point.
I look like Miranda Sings.
Are you insulting her?
Do you know what Miranda Sings is? Obviously not.
That's an insult for herself.
She's like a character. That's not how she actually looks. Cutest couple. Am I the prettiest girl you've ever seen?
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
I didn't.
If you think John is a good makeup artist, then give this video a like.
Should I become one?
I want to do his makeup in another video, so stay tuned for that because it's gonna happen eventually. I've been saying that since I met him. I was like, I want to do your makeup and I want to
She loves my eyebrows. Look at that.
He literally has like the best eyebrows in the whole world. He has a perfect face for makeup. So, and then maybe we'll answer more questions. But I hope you guys enjoyed this everyday makeup look. If you want to recreate it, then just follow these steps. And, you know, like, it's just great for every day. Really good, like, natural glam. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Make sure to subscribe. Yeah. Do you have anything to say?
No.
Bye.
See ya.
Beautiful,
No.
baby.